Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from BrameshTechAnalysis.com, and in this video we'll discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for the coming week, as we have some important astro events and the Gann cycles which are coming through. So the first important thing, this is the Bank Nifty chart. So as per astrology, every sector has a ruling planet. So Jupiter is a ruling planet for financials. So Bank Nifty, as it is a financial, so Jupiter has a major impact on it. And I'm using a software called Timing Solution. So what I'm doing is I'm going here and I'm selecting Jupiter. So Jupiter, it's a very big planet. It is one of the largest planet of our solar system. So it takes a lot of time to move around the sun. So when Jupiter is moving from one zodiac to another zodiac, this particular phenomenon in astrology is called as ingress. And when I apply this particular ingress on the chart, so here this time the Jupiter is moving to the Pisces zodiac, and Pisces is one is considered as a bullish zodiac. So as it happened on this day, so this day is high. If it is broken, then it leads to a very good move in the market. So now let me give you a simple backtesting thing. Last time this happened on 12 to 2019, and after that it happened on 21st December 2020. So this phenomenon happens once in a year. So the phenomenons which are very rare in nature, they are very useful to us because we can get a very good moves in the market, and they act as a good numbers throughout the till the next particular signal has not come. So this is Jupiter. This is I've drawn the lines here on 2nd of December 2019, 32024 and 31722. As you see, whenever we go about it, we will go bullish, and we can easily get 400, 500 points move down. Also 400, 500 moves. Even this crash, so here it made a high of 31, 588. The low here was on second was 31,720, and after that the big crash which came in. So whenever these lines are crossed, you will see a good move in the market. See here, it crossed, it broke this line, we had a fall, it went above this line, we had a good rally. And last time it happened on 21st December, this was the thing. And if you see, even after so many things have happened, Bank Nifty has corrected a lot from the top of 37,000. It has never been able to breach this low. See, multiple times it has touched this low and given a good bounce back. So this works very nicely. You have to just keep an eye on this level, and this level will be valid till the next ingress which comes in, which will come on this day, which is 28th of July. So you can watch out for the levels of 32,622 or 32,630 on upside. Till it is trading about 32,630, it's prudent to go only on the long side, and on downside 32,115. Till 32,115 is not broken, or this can be used very nicely by option traders also. Like you can short 32,100, 32,000, all the monthly calls or the weekly calls, whatever premium you get, and we keeping a stop loss of this level till it is not breached. You can get all the premiums. For bullish traders, better to go long above it. Like today we are already long as it is broken above it. So this is one phenomenon which you can use, and you can backtest it. The dates I've already given you, 2nd December 2019. I'll give you a few more dates for you to go ahead and backtest it. 2nd December 2019, 21st December 2021, and let's take another date so you guys can go ahead and backtest it. And yeah, so this is the date, uh, 8th November 2018. See here, this low was never breached and the market was all bullish side only. So this is one phenomenon which I'm talking about. Second phenomenon which I'm talking about is, and this is for Nifty. So Nifty, what it has done is Nifty, Mercury is going at its maximum elongations on the west sides. So Mercury is kind of farthest from the sun, maximum elongation. So whenever this particular things also happen, this is happening today. So we have Jupiter ingress which happened on Thursday, and we have Mercury going its at its maximum elongation, and Mercury is a good it's the ruling planet for Nifty also. So whenever these two things are happening, so we can be prepared for a good move in the market. Last time it happened here, and once this low was reached, you easily got 200, 300 points. Before that, it happened here. It gave you a trending move. Now it is happening today. So now today, again, as we are above this, and even if I go to an intraday chart of Nifty today, it is already above the Mercury ingress high of 14,750. And if I go to a 5 minute chart, we are already trading above, or let me go to a 15-minute chart. We are already trading above the first 15 minutes low also. So till we are doing this, it's prudent to be long on the market. Short only once it starts going below 14,590. Otherwise, there is no point of going short. Again, this can be very well used by the option writers like 14,600, 500, all the puts you can sell it across with a stop loss of double of the premium. So these are the two things. Let me go to the neural analysis of Nifty. So this is the neural analysis of Nifty. It shows like we can see a vertical rise, a small till 17th, a small consolidation, and the rise can continue till 24th. Similarly, if I go for Bank Nifty neural analysis, so it shows like you can see a rise till 16th, 17th, a small dip. Basically, kind of, you know, uh, I mean, the market trend is on upside only. And if I show you the supply and demand analysis where we get our trading levels for Nifty, 14,750 is an important level to be breached. We have already breached it. If this is, if it continues to go trade above it, I think in this rally we should another see one more rise towards 15,000 odd levels, and below 14,636 you can add shorts, below 590 add more, and you can see a rally fall till 14,416 and 14,213. And let me move about. So 14,750, then 14,843, 14,920, and 15,000. These are the three levels I'm watching out for. And if I go forward towards Bank Nifty is at a very crucial support zone. So once it breach the high, I'm looking for a move towards 33,000 and 33,361 on upside, and on downside prudent to go short only below 31,900 only. In between you can do some scalping trades, but a good trend will emerge only once it starts closing below 31,900. So we can see a fall till 31,250 on upside, as the high is already broken. So I'm looking out for 31,900, 33,154, 33,361. So these are the levels I'm watching out for. Others, if I see any intraday levels, I'll be definitely sharing on my Twitter and the Facebook pages. So I've shown you the impact of Mercury ingress. I've shown you the impact of not Mercury ingress, Mercury at greatest elongation. If you want to backtest, see whenever this thing happens, you generally tend to see a trending move in the market. See a trending move in the market generally. So it made once this low was breached, and so high and low of that particular day plays a very vital role. So this was the low. It got breached here, and it happened on 2nd February of 2020, and after that we know that it was just a one-sided fall. So these are the things which I'm watching out for. Let's see what market has in store. Now, last 2 weeks have been in a very sideways zone, and the market has tested a lot. Traders who follow trend, and for the people who are writing options, it was a kind of heaven, because whatever you are writing straddles, and it was yielding good money. So, but be cautious, because with these two astro events, generally, we'll see a good trend emerging in the market. Market will try to move out of this sideways zone. At least intraday there was no volatility. So, focus on in these kind of markets, the position size will play a very important role, and the mental strength where you get whipsawed and stopped out multiple times. You need to stick to your system. You just can't leave your system just like that, which has yielded good money. Sticking to the system with the right position size will only help you out to get out of this in a bad phase if you're going in your trading. And if you're an option writer and you're making good money, don't get overconfident, because when the trending move comes, definitely you will also get stopped out. So market has different ways of giving you money and taking money from you. So when it gives money, take the maximum. When it takes money, give the minimum, and just move out of it. You know, this is what trading is all about: sticking to the discipline, stay disciplined, have the right, do a lot of physical exercises to get the stress out of your system, and stay disciplined. I wish you guys all the best for the coming week. There are few more astro events and aspects which I wanted to discuss. I'll try to discuss in the next video. Best of luck and stay disciplined. Thank you.